This is Francis from Easel. Today we're going to be talking about how to access the Machine Inspector in Easel. The Machine Inspector is a space where we can do a couple of things. The first is check our homing switch status, so we can physically press a homing switch and see if it's reading via the Machine Inspector. And the other part of the Machine Inspector allows us to check our firmware and make firmware adjustments. In this video, I'm not going to make any firmware adjustment recommendations. That would be specific to your machine provider, so you should talk to them before making any firmware changes. But this is where you would be able to visualize and make those changes if need be. So we're going to go ahead and have an Easel project open, and then we can click on Machine. We'll get a drop-down menu, and one of the options will be Machine Inspector. And this is what's going to pop up. If you had a machine plugged in, I don't currently have one in, under where it says Console, you would see a readout of your machine's firmware. If you had homing switches, you would see some white circles under here, and when you press your homing switch, those circles would turn green. And if you needed to change or send a firmware line, you could type it in here. So an example would be $21 equals 0, which is how you would turn off hard limits if that's what you wanted to do. And then you could send that line by pressing enter, and that would change the firmware in your machine. And that's how you would access the Machine Inspector. Again, I'm not making any recommendations to change any firmware settings. It's just how you would if you needed to. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.